This is the EGR Premium 9,000 milliampere hours V6 battery replacement, designed as a compatible replacement battery for a wide range of Dyson V6 vacuum models. It's compatible with several Dyson V6 series vacuums, including the Animal, Absolute, Motorhead, Fluffy, and models like SV03, SV04, SV05, SV06, SV07, SV09, DC58, DC59, DC61, DC62, DC72, and DC74. It's important to note that it is not designed for Dyson V7 or V8 models. One of the standout features is the high-capacity 9,000 milliampere hour battery design, which is intended to help extend cleaning time for everyday household use. Whether you're vacuuming carpets, hard floors, furniture, or vehicles, the replacement battery is built to support longer cleaning sessions.